Hey everyone, it is Mike here from AutoGuide on location at the 2025 Seoul Mobility Show in Korea, and Hyundai has just dropped the refreshed 2026 Ioniq 6. Now, besides getting a overhaul in the looks department, there's a new model, the N-Line, which you can see behind me. The updated exterior design is found mostly around the car's nose. It adopts the brand's squinty front-end design that's pretty much on all of the sedans they sell, like the Elantra, Sonata, and Kona, and here in Korea, also the Grandeur. This gives the Ioniq 6 a more horizontal width look that makes it feel a little sportier, wider, and more muscular in stance. Hyundai says it represents the brand's pure flow refined design philosophy. There's a black garnish trim on the lower body line between the wheel wells, and it helps sculpt the car's shape and provide a two-tone contrast, which I'm always a big fan of. There's also a new extended ducktail spoiler, and this sort of double spoiler of the old car is gone, but the new one is bigger, and I think it might better overall suit the vehicle, and maybe will appeal to more mainstream buyers, although I'll miss the old design for sure. Despite my preference, Hyundai does claim it will improve the car's aerodynamic performance. Inside, the Ioniq 6 continues the mindful cocoon ethos. Yes, I just said that. The changes in here aren't as dramatic as the new nose. It gains a redesigned steering wheel and upgraded door trim materials that Hyundai says offers buyers a more premium feel. The center console has also been reworked to improve functionality, and the climate control display has been enlarged for ease of use. Now, this is the Korean market model, so unfortunately we aren't going to get those cool digital side view mirrors. As cool as the refreshed 6 and the new N-Line are, it's the third model that I can't wait for, and that is going to come at the Goodwood Festival of Speed in July, the Ioniq 6N. Yes, the Ioniq 6 is going to get the full N treatment just like the 5, and I can't wait to go for a spin in that little electric monster.